guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would show you guys how I'm planning to jazz up this bag. So I do not know how to pronounce this bag. Fjallraven Kanken. We're just gonna call it a Kanken. If you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, you know that I posted that I really wanted one of these because I keep seeing everyone wearing them and I felt left out, so I purchased one. But I have reason to believe that this is fake. I did purchase it on eBay for about £20 less than the retail price, just because I thought, like, if I can get it for a bit cheaper, why the hell not? When it arrived, I didn't see any problems straight away, but then I just went on Google and I searched on YouTube as well, telling the difference between fake versus real. And there's a few things that I have noticed. For example, the stamp should be in color. It's not really in color. On the back, the foxes aren't facing down, they're facing a bit more sideways. They're not completely parallel to each other. There's a few like threads pulling off, which I can easily put a lighter to. But yeah, I believe this is a copy, which is annoying. It's still reflective and it is waterproof. So that's why I just thought, you know what, I did message the seller and I said, yo, like, this is not authentic. And she's like, she basically said it was. So I told her basically what I researched. She hasn't responded yet, but I just thought, fuck it, I can't be bothered to be returning it, sending shit back, because I bought these patches that I'm so desperate to put on. Anyway, hopefully this bag lasts me a long time. I don't mind that it's fake, I'm just hoping it still lasts a while. But yeah, just something to let you guys know, if you are purchasing somewhere like off Depop, secondhand or anything like that, just be careful for the signs. I personally obviously don't know this bag that well. So I have no idea if this is it seems like a good fake, but it might be the worst one. I don't have much knowledge with these bags, so I just thought I'd let you guys know that if you have a bag, if you wanted to check that it was authentic or not, that's what you can check out. I will also leave a link to the video that I watched below, so you can kind of see the other differences, because there's more than just that. So moving on, I purchased the black one, and this is this fits my laptop in. So this is, I think, 38 centimeters in total in terms of length. I think it's the original size. There's a few different sizes, and honestly I got a bit confused looking at all of them. I just purchased this one. It fits my laptop, that's all I need. So it's not going to be anything fancy. I plan to make this video for Instagram, a little Instagram video, but I thought, you know what, let me just upload it here just in case anyone else was interested. But I will probably end up doing a what's in my bag video once it's all done. I have some more patches coming. I've only got these 4 for now. I ordered these patches on, this one I purchased from a stall, and then these other ones I just ordered from eBay. These are all iron-on patches, but I've read because of the material, it's waterproof, it won't iron on, it won't stick. So I contemplated either using fabric glue or just sewing it, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I got my sewing kit right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna sew these bad boys on, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm not an expert sewer, so I hope this goes well. I will say that there isn't actually much space on here to sew things on. What I'm thinking of doing, I think I'm gonna put Goku down here, my little Akatsuki cloud here, Totoro maybe here, but Bulbasaur, he's kind of big, so I might put him on the side. And then I've got an Attack on Titan patch coming, which I'll probably put on the other side, and then I'll probably put my One Punch Man one here if he fits. If not, maybe I'll put him above or up here. So that's the plan of action. We'll see how this goes. I feel like sewing in the pockets might be hard because there's not much space to go inside. So yeah, we'll see how this goes, boy. Okay, so the first one is officially on. That took me about 7,000 years. So that's what it will look like when the pocket is filled out. I'm just using a sock. That's what it looks like. Okay, so one patch on. Let's move on to the next one. So the other one I'm going to do is Totoro, and I'm going to put him here. He's going to slightly go on the bag, like strap part, but I have to, otherwise he's just going to be on the zip. So if you can see there in the light, there's not much. He doesn't actually fit. He's a bit too big, but I'm going to put him on anyway because I bought these patches, and if worst comes to worst, I want to take them off, I can just get a thread picker or whatever it's called. I can undo all the thread and just take it off, and I can always glue something else on top or re-sew or whatever I want to do. That's why I'm not too fast. Let's carry on with Totoro. Okay, so I've got my 2 patches already sewn on, and I'm going to attempt to do this one. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. Okay, so I finally finished the 3 patches. They're on quite well, actually. I'm proud of myself. This one wasn't too bad. I had the string, the thread, quite long, and it kept getting tangled. So I learnt from that mistake. This one was hard as hell because this material is a lot thicker, and I did it on the edge where the patch is extremely thick itself. So that one was very, very hard. I thought this one was going to be tough because there's so much going on, but it was actually okay. So this is the finished look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I didn't stick Bulbasaur on just because I wanted to put him on the pocket and there's not much space for me to go into thread. So I'm probably going to get glue and glue that one on. I have some other patches coming. I've decided that I'm going to do a what's in my bag video once I've started using it and have some stuff in it. And by then I'm sure I'll have all the patches on. So I'll show you guys then what the backpack looks like. But I'm very happy and pleased with how it looks. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments about the patches or anything else, just leave them below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!